Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very different. In this video, I'm going to tell you how I manifested my dreams and make them become my reality. And I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can do the same. Those who are new, hi, I'm Aditri and I'm 21 years old and I am a college student right now. I study in IIIT Delhi. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. 3 years ago, I had no clarity, no confidence. मेरे को पता भी नहीं था कि मेरे को क्या करना है, मेरे को कौन से कॉलेज जाना है. Like nothing at all. I had no idea where I'll end up or in what direction my life is heading to. But today I'm living a life I once only imagined. And I'm not saying this is magic, this is intentional living. Let me show you how I exactly did this. So let's start with my story. When I was finishing school, I wasn't sure if I want to do engineering. I was more inclined toward design, creating, thinking visually, building ideas, and my vision was like what I wanted to do was very different, and that was not engineering. But like every other household, my parents wanted me to pursue engineering because that is like secure option. You have a secure future if you do that. So yeah, blah blah. And honestly, I was also confused. I was not sure if I want to do design only or I should like listen to my parents and do engineering only. I was confused at that time, and then I got to know about this program, this BTech program in computer science and design, which was offered in IIIT Delhi. And the moment I saw it, I knew that this is what I want to do. Something just clicked and I knew this is exactly what I want. I would say that is the first part of manifestation, which is knowing what you want. Knowing what you want and pushing that vision in your subconscious mind consciously is the first part, which I did. I remember being on campus one day and I was talking to my friend and we were talking about internships, and I was not looking out for an internship उस time पे, और मेरी लगी भी नहीं थी उस time तक. And I remember me and my friend, we were having this conversation और उस time पे थोड़ी सी deep बातें हो रही थी, और उसके बाद I realized, oh, I want to get an internship. That was the moment I realized, okay, now I think this is what I want, and at this point ये मेरे को चाहिए. And उसके बाद I was getting a push from his side too कि you know you should do it. And then I started studying for it. मैं DSA वगैरह करना start किया and I took actions, but उस टाइम पे मैंने अपने बैक ऑफ द माइंड में डाला, नहीं यार, आई वॉन्ट टू गेट अ समर इंटर्न. देन दैट हैपेंड. आई डिसाइडेड आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क विद ब्रांड्स, आई वॉन्ट टू गेट ब्रांड डील्स, एंड आई गॉट इट. आई वॉन्ट टू अर्न ऑन माई ओन, लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू बी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, and I did make that happen. I decided I want to get the camera this year. I want to buy myself a camera from my money, and I was able to do that. Not overnight, ऐसे अचानक से नहीं, but step by step. There was a time when I also felt like I didn't belong socially. मेरे को socially gatherings में उतना अच्छा feel नहीं हो रहा था, and I was not able to fit in the circle I was. But as I became more confident and I recognized who I was becoming, I started attracting people who aligned with that version of myself. Yeah, that is when I found my people, the right people, I would say. So this all didn't happen एक दिन में. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने magically सोचा मेरे को ये चाहिए और ये हो गया. उसके लिए मेरे को actions लेने पड़े, मेरे को work hard करना पड़ा towards that direction, and all of that happened. So I never made a vision board back then. मैं नहीं बनाती थी. But I used to have a diary and I used to write my visions कि I want this, I want this, I want this, and monthly मेरा होता था कि, और ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जैसे जो मैंने से अगस्त में लिखा वो मेरे को अगस्त में ही मिल गया, मे बी सितंबर में मिला, मे बी अक्टूबर में मिला, बट मैंने अपने सबकॉन्शियस में डाला कि यार मेरे को ये चाहिए. तो इवेंचुअली धीरे धीरे उसके लिए वर्क करते हुए आई achieved that. I was able to get that. And honestly, if the version of me like 3 years ago would be watching this, she would say like, this is exactly where I imagined myself to be. Yeah, you should always dream big for yourself, have a positive mindset, and nothing should stop you from getting what you want. I'll tell you how manifestation actually works. So manifestation is not just sitting and hoping that oh my god मेरे को गाड़ी मिल जाएगी and मैंने just लिख लिया मेरे को गाड़ी चाहिए. This is not how manifestation works. It is aligning your thoughts and actions and the identity that you want to build all together to get the kind of life that you want. Now, in this part, I will break down exactly steps that I used to get my dream college, my dream internship, my dream life, so that you can copy paste these core values into manifesting what you want. The first part is to know what you want. You have to be clear. What do you want to manifest? Where do you see yourself? The first thing that I did was to be clear of what I want. Not what others expect from me, not what sounded safe, but what I genuinely want. That is the foundation of manifestation. Once you know what you want, your subconscious mind starts acting towards it. Remember this, if your dreams are vague, then your results would be vague too. So first step is to define what you want. The second step is removing all the doubts and the fear. If you only think that you are not capable of having that, then you will not be able to have that. You should not let your fears stop you from doing what you want. If I want that internship and I am doing DSA and I'll feel like, yaar, this is so tough, मुझसे ये होगा ही नहीं, or I say that I am not capable of getting a internship बहुत अच्छे कंपनी में, like मेरे पास उतना टैलेंट ही नहीं है और मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. अगर ये डाउट्स मेरे पास ही खुद पे रहेंगे और वही मेरे को मेरे what I want उसको अचीव करने से स्टॉप करते रहे, I will try to give up कि no यार I'm not able to do it, छोड़ो मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, whatever. You should not let your fears or doubts stop you from getting what you want. So I stopped asking what if I fail, what if ये नहीं हुआ, कि मैंने ये ऑप्शन भी नहीं रखा था कि, and I started thinking what if it actually worked. What if मतलब कि यार ये हो गया तो कितना मस्त होगा. This was always my mentality at that time. The third part is taking actions and aligning your behavior. Please remember, manifestation only works if your actions matches your vision. If I say I want to get into that college and I sleep all day, then I'm not going to get into that college. But if I say I'm going to get into that college and I study hard, then like I work towards getting that, then I will definitely get into that college. So I studied even when I felt like I don't want to. I applied even when I felt like I'm not able to, I will not get in. I showed up as a version of me who always believed that everything I dream of is possible, and always stay with a positive mindset. Every good thing is going to happen to you. Always keep that mantra inside your mind that only attract opportunities and good things. The next step is, it will get hard, but you should not give up. There will be days when you will feel like you don't want to work and नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे, because that are the challenges that universe is giving to you to test you. Those are the tests. You should work next day and show up despite of any hardships that you're facing. For example, I took this 53 days challenge in which I had to work out every day. So I have been doing that like literally every day. एक दो दिन बीच में मिस हुआ है मुझसे, but that was papers चल रहे थे, उसको भी as excuse बोल सकते हो, but तब मेरी genuinely बहुत तबीयत खराब थी. But except that also मैं कई बार अपने आप को ऐसा बोलते हुए रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ कि यार नहीं, I'm not feeling good, I'm tired, आज मन नहीं कर रहा. But despite that I ask myself that why क्यों मन नहीं कर रहा. बट कोई सॉलिड रीज़न नहीं है उस चीज़ का. इट्स लाइक हम लोग कोई हैबिट लेते हैं, बट उसके बाद चलते चलते हम लोग ऐसे कंफर्ट जोन में जाना चाहते हैं जिसकी वजह वी गिव अप ऑन दैट अनकंफर्टेबल पोजिशन वी हैव पुट आवरसेल्फ इनटू. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट वेयर यू शुड नॉट गिव अप एंड बी अनकंफर्टेबल, and despite of everything work for your goal. You will get rejection, self-doubt aayega, like, but always remember this, that consistency matters more than anything else. Consistency matters more than motivation. So even on bad days, I showed up the next day, and you should too. And the final step is trust the process and let the universe do its part. Once you have done your part, that is the action. You can only do the action and the hard work. Don't rush, be calm, have patience and trust the process. Things didn't happen exactly the way I wanted when I wanted, but it did happen eventually at the time when the time was right, and they happened when I was ready. Sometimes you think that you are ready for this and you want this, but you are not. That is why they get delayed and you get it after sometimes which is right for you. And now when I look back, the timing, it was always right. So I would like to say that manifestation is not a magic. It's clarity, consistency, courage and trust. So these are some things that you should do if you want to manifest something into your life. If you follow me on Instagram, then you might know that I used to post story at the start of every month in which I used to write my goals, like this is what I want to achieve in this month, or anything I want to change about myself, anything I want to get done. Like मैं story भी डालती थी, but I used to maintain a diary also. उसमें भी मैं लिखती थी कई goals. So this is one habit that I really like for knowing what I want and putting that energy into the universe and manifesting basically. So this is something that you can do also. Okay, so if there's one thing that I want you to take from this video, it would be your dream is not unrealistic, it's just unfamiliar. You don't need to have everything figured out right now. You just need to decide who do you want to become, and you have to show up for that version of yourself every day. And if 3 years ago me could build this life slowly, I promise you can too, and I am rooting for you. So if you're stepping into 2026 with fear, uncertainty or doubt, then it's okay. Just start with clarity. Take one step at a time and trust the process. Everything else will find its way to you. So this is how I manifest everything into my life. Now that you know that, you can too. All of this I manifested unintentionally, like I wasn't following a practice, but now that I look into it, I felt like, oh my god, I manifested all of this into my life. And recently I was reading this book. When I was reading it, I was like, oh my god, these are the principles that I follow. Like literally मैंने ये book नहीं पढ़ी थी पहले, and जब मैं ये पढ़ रही थी, I was realizing, oh my god, this is actually what I did, and this is something that I would want to share it with you guys. So if you want to go in deeper and you want to know how manifestation exactly works and you want to know it in detail, then you can definitely read this books because it's good. I guess that was all for this video. Thank you for staying if you are here till now. Now comment down one thing that you want to manifest in 2026. Yeah, bye bye.